This is how to upload your basic HTML website on the internet for free with a custom domain. First things first, here I have my folder with my project I want to upload and its folder. If I go in here, you see I have an HTML, a script, and a style sheet. And here it's open in VS Code, our HTML, our JavaScript, and our CSS. Now we go to netmify.com in our browser. We log in or create a user. Once we're logged in, it's going to look a bit like this. We're going to click this Add New Site. We're going to deploy manually. Then we can drag and drop our folder in here, like so. We drop it, it's going to take a second. And as we can see, it's already complete. And if we go to this site overview, we click this pre-made URL, we see that our site is live. If we want a custom URL, we click Domain Settings, Options here, and Edit Site Name. We write in what the new URL is going to be, and we click Save. And now we see that we can use our custom name. If you want to add a custom ending like .com, you can add a custom domain here. And you can simply search for and purchase a domain. If you like this video, you might enjoy the next one on the list. Until next time, see ya.